Think you've seen it all? Here are the next top 5 most aggressive and deadliest dog breeds. Stay till the end. The Doberman Pinscher is known for its speed, intelligence, and fierce loyalty. This breed is a force to be reckoned with. The Bull Mastiff is a silent guardian. With its sheer size and strength, it can take down any intruder without breaking a sweat. Don't be fooled by its beauty. The Alaskan Malamute is a powerful working dog, capable of surviving the harshest conditions. The Presa Canario is a true beast, bred for guarding and herding. This breed is fearless and ready to confront any threat. And finally, the American Bulldog. Its strength, determination, and protective nature make it one of the deadliest breeds around. If these breeds shocked you, smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more.